Hey everybody, we're in a Chevy Silverado. We're showing you how to install the ProClip left mount number 804954. Just as a note, this mount also fits the GMC Sierra models of the same year. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this blue covering here and here. You're going to want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Second, make sure you install the mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. Now this mount attaches into two different seams. The first is here between the black hard plastic piece of the vent and this soft piece here. The second is between this silver piece and the hard plastic of the vent on the inside. So first of all, you're going to take your two included gap openers. You're going to insert one at the top of this vent and one at the bottom of this vent. Then we can take this angled edge and insert it into that open seam. We can remove the gap openers. Now we want to take one of the gap openers and insert it into the seam on the left, and we're going to press the mount in and a little bit this way so we can get that angled edge into that newly opened seam. There you go. Once it's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.